So the bathroom is midway, and it's a separate shower. And sink. Room for, it's tight, but we could do a regular toilet. This would be the back bedroom. And not really sure, I guess that's storage down there. All the windows, seals look good from what I can tell. It's a nice little trailer. This is the wet here, not really sure where that's from because there's no air conditioning up above. I'm not sure, but I got a good feeling about this little one. He's not sure if the refrigerator works. There's some good storage in here, there. In fact, there's storage here. It's a little musty, but it's, you know, been sitting out. Let's see if there's a door here. No, there's no door to the bedroom, but that's okay. There is a door to the bathroom, so that's good. Let's see, we've got, looks like an induction. The woman lived in it, he said. All the roll-ups work. So that's good. Sink. Underneath, we could put in a new sink if we wanted. Looks like it's well kept. I'm kind of inclined. I mean, it's a little bit of work. Obviously, this couch, we could take that out and put in a futon or something. And this is the floor underneath that is what needs to be pulled up. So probably just redoing most of the floor would make sense. But the plastic's all good. Looks like the screen is in good shape too for the door. This is he said they don't have the title, so I'm not sure they'd have to get that, but all the doors look good. So that's good. Everything seems pretty tight. I didn't notice any obvious leaks. The tires are really good. I think they hauled it about a year ago. So, yeah. The heater right there. I don't know if the AC works. I'm inclined to think a mini split would make sense. Just doing one more video. I mean, it's a little musty, but I think it's been sitting for a while. That's the spot for the refrigerator, which we don't need that much space. I don't know if that's an issue here. I think this is where she had the stuff hooked up to outside, I guess. It's got these little mirrors. I'm guessing that's a trowel. Overall, it's really clean. It's very clean.